Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, more updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting. And that rule states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, 275 was that area of support, but now with the price below it, that would be considered the near-term area of resistance. Now, if the price can work its way back up to that area and get the break of that level, next key overarching level would be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. Current value of that is at $2.93. So again, near-term area of resistance, 275, then the overarching level up there at that 50-period moving average. What about levels of support? Well, nothing fancy here. First level of support is essentially where the price finally bottomed out. I realize the price did spike down below the 255 mark, but that didn't last very long at all. So in my mind, 255 is more so kind of the quote-unquote truer level of support going forward. In the event, though, the price does not hold above 255, let's go to the daily time frame, because as you're about to see, it's been quite a while since the price has been down this low. But good to see that the price has been finding support where it did. I mean, you go through the history, and you can see several times in the past, the price has been right around this area, just like it bounced off of today. So good to see that continues to play out, and we'll see if history can repeat itself and get it, have the price go on a bigger bounce here. In the event, though, the price continues to pull back, next key level of support after that would be down there right around $2.40. So overall, though, very, very rough week, but to be fair, it was a rough week for the entire markets. So we'll see if the price can get some sort of bounce back up next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.